Wagwan people, wagwan. So you're there again to see you next day. I'm not gonna say it's been quite a while because every day me upload. Is it? So as you can see today, 5 men get arrested in connection with a gun. So jump in it still and make me hear wagwan. 5 men were arrested in connection with the seizure of a firearm and several rounds of ammunition along the Lag Main Road in Moko, Clarendon on Wednesday, March 25. Reports are that about 10 p.m., a police team on patrol in the area signaled the driver of a Toyota Corolla motor car to stop. He complied, and the vehicle and its occupants were searched. During the search, a Glock 17 pistol containing 9mm rounds of ammunition were found in the engine section of the car. The 5 occupants of the car were arrested same time. Their identities are being withheld pending further investigation by the police. So let's see where we're going still. Although we have a virus out and all the things are going, people still get arrested for gun and things. So why am I tell you? Sad for you are going. So but anyway, like and share and subscribe. Thanks again for tuning.